Good morning, students. Welcome to EVS class. I hope you all are fine. Did you finish your homework? Yes, good. Students, in the previous class, we have finished the lesson 1 or environment. Today, we are going to do the book exercise of this lesson. Before that, I will just recall the first lesson. Do you remember what we have learned in the first lesson? Yes, good. Our first lesson is our environment. In this lesson, we have learnt about environment, natural things, man-made things, natural to man-made, living and non-living things. Now, let's see the exercise from the first lesson. All of you take page number 16 in your first term EVS book. Write along with me. First exercise. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. A. Dash means everything in the world around us. Environment or home? Which is the correct answer? Environment. So, write environment. 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 B. Air, water, soil, mountains, rivers, clouds, and rain or dash things. Natural things or man-made things? Yes, natural things. So write natural. 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 C. The sun is natural. A chair is dash. A chair is dash. Man-made or natural? Man-made. So write man-made. M-A-N. Man. M-A-D-E. Made. Man-made. D. Things made by man are called dash things. Man-made things or natural things? Man-made things. So write man-made things. M-A-N. Man. M-A-D-E. Made. Man-made. E. Dash things grow. Living things grow or non-living things grow? Which is the correct answer? Yes. Living things grow. So write living. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. Second exercise. Match the following. A. Birds. What is the answer? Birds can fly. So match it. Birds fly. A. So write A here. B. Shampoos. Shampoos. Which is the correct answer? Shampoos are man-made. So match it. Shampoos man-made. B. So write B here. C. Clay. Clay. Which is the correct answer? Natural resource. Clay, natural resource. C. So write C here. D. Living things. Living things cannot move or reproduce. Reproduce. Living things can reproduce. So D. Write D here. E. Non-living things. Non-living things cannot move. Non-living things cannot move. E. So write E here. Third exercise. Tick the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. Okay. A. Natural things are also made by man. This one is right or wrong? Wrong. So I put cross. B. Shampoo and lotion are man-made things. This one is right or wrong? Correct. So I put tick. C. A plant cannot move on its own. Correct sentence. So put tick. D. Living things cannot reproduce. This one is right or wrong? Wrong. Living things can reproduce. So put cross. E. Non-living things can reproduce. Wrong sentence. So put cross. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Fourth exercise. Answer the following questions in one or two words. A. How do you know if something is natural or man-made? A natural thing comes directly from the environment. So write environment. 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 So read along with me. How do you know if something is natural or man-made? A natural thing comes directly from the environment, but a man-made thing does not. Next, B. Name any two natural things that you see every day in your environment. Name any two things. Right? Animals and birds. Read along with me. Name any two natural things that you see every day in your environment. Animals, birds. C. Give examples of two man-made things that you see in your classroom. Write along with me. Book, table. Book and table, okay? So read along with me. Give examples of two man-made things that you see in your classroom. Book, table. D. Write any two features of living things. Any two, okay? Write along with me. Living things, breathe. Living things grow. Living things grow. Read along with me. Write any two features of living things. Living things breathe. Living things grow. E. Write any two differences between living and non-living things. Okay. Living things breathe. Living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. Next one, living things grow. Grow, grow. Living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. Okay. Read along with me. Write any two differences between living and non-living things. Living things breathe, but non-living things do not. Living things grow, but non-living things do not. Students, I hope you wrote these exercises. Study them well. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.